Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got a special little treat for you. So instead of doing a typical blacksmithing video or a smashing video, which I love to do, we're going to do a product review. Today, it is the C.R.K.T. Pagolin knife. Now, I'm doing a review on this because I really enjoy this knife. And I recommend it to anybody who likes a fixed blade to carry. So it's made by C.R.K.T., stands for Columbian River Knife and Tool Company. This knife originally came out in 2016. Give you a few stats on it. Overall, the blade is 6.75 inches or 171.45 millimeters. The blade itself is 2.9. So if your state has carry laws, has to be smaller than 3 inches or 4 inches, this has got you covered. It's 2.9. Which is also 75.5 millimeters. Let's see. This is designed by, what's his name? Oh yeah, Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical. Back in 2016, this was in that lineup. You can still get it on the website. I think it retails for about $69.99. It does come with this nice Kydex sheet. And what is this clip called? I keep forgetting what this thing's called. Tech lock thing, so you can adjust this any way. You can carry like this, like this, like this. Multiple adjustment points on the back, as you can see. You can set it to anywhere you want it. The sheath has the grooves in it, so you can pivot it any which way. I like to carry it like this, in the small of my back, like this, so that way I can just reach around and grab it out if I need it. The blade grind is a hollow grind, so it is a little bit thinner. So I mean, this thing is wicked sharp. I have cut myself on it. I did mess the blade edge up a little bit using it pretty roughly, trying to baton some wood. But I just was able to file it back down, and she looks pretty good to me. I don't know if the camera can get a close up of that. So the handle is made of reinforced nylon glass, or it says glass reinforced nylon. What else? Let's see here. The blade steel is 8 CR13 MOV, and it is powder coated black. Has some nice little jimping on the top here. It feels really good. It's not sharp at all. I mean, the sides are smooth. It's rounded off ever so nice. Really like it. It's got a very nice finger choil. I mean, I have big hands, and this fits my index finger very comfortably. I mean, the jimping, when Ryan Johnson must have designed this, I mean, it fits a big hand. I mean, it's a smaller knife. Like I said, it's 6.75 inches overall, but it fits my hand very comfortably. I like it. Wicked sharp. If you like a fixed blade to carry, I highly recommend checking out the C.R.K.T. Pagolin knife. I got this on eBay, I want to say for 35 bucks. So, retail around 70, you can pick it up. I think I actually got this used. So it's 35 bucks, I believe. Ran out to the garage real quick, and I got my new ferro rod just to show you that you can spark a ferro rod with the back of this. All right, I don't want to start my house on fire, so I have this little towel here. See? Use the back, no problem. Bear with me, this is a new ferro rod, still has a coating on it. So it's got a nice sharp back, or you can always use a blade. And spark a ferro rod, no problem. So the only thing I do not like about this is that the black powder coating, it does wear off fairly quick. Quick update about the channel. Been super busy. We actually are moving. We got a new house. So I do have several projects in the works. That's why I've been kind of slacking in the putting out video department. But I'm working on making a 3-pound rounding hammer, blacksmithing rounding hammer. And also the giveaway knife, I'm making that. So those are my 2 projects I'm working on now. They should be coming out soon. Check those out. What else? Subscribe so you can go back and check out all my old content and you won't miss out on future videos. So, alright, so I had to go out and get a piece of wood just to show you how good you can do some feathering with this. Bear with me, all I had was a 2x4. So if you're out in the woods and you need to start a fire with a ferro rod, do some feathering. And it has really good control. I mean, just doing that. I mean, granted, it is a 2x4. but you can do big feathers. So, I mean, you can get some pretty good feathers real quick. It's wicked sharp. I'm going to take a piece of paper. It's one thing I really like about C.R.K.T knives. They always come wicked sharp. There you go. See? Like butter. So, C.R.K.T Pagolin. Highly recommend it. I do enjoy this knife. I say that because I've had this knife now for probably 6 months. So I can give it an honest opinion, a good review. I carry it a lot. I've used it out in the woods. As you can see on the blade, there's a little bit of wear on the black powder coating. Hope that's in frame there. Pagolin. Says it real nice there. C.R.K.T. Fits the hand really, really well. Wicked sharp. Feather, no problem. So I hope you liked the video. First time ever doing a product review other than a tool. I plan to do a couple more of these. I have some other cool stuff I hope you'd enjoy. So like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Appreciate all the support I've been getting. A lot of new subscribers. Thank you everyone who subscribes. What else here? Till next time, see ya.